Thank you everybody for your patience, everyone. Hello. Hello. How's it going, everyone? All right. So I got into a little trouble with my computer. Unfortunately. Now. And I wanted to thank you, all of you, for still being here while Stock Tiger is scrambling. Thank you everybody once again. Everybody, welcome back. Great to see you guys on a Monday. Is today Monday or what? Yeah, Monday Asia Globex session here. I hope everybody had a great morning today. Let's take a look.
If you want to build an app.
All right, everyone. Let's take a look who is here in the house. NLT Luis in the house. Scooby Curry in the house. Sean Hazel. Captain Price is here. Andreas Gendrick, what up? Everybody, welcome back, guys. Great to see you, all of you here tonight on the Asia market. Scooby Curry, Captain Price. Who else is here? Vic Matt in the house. Hey, Vic Matt, how's it going with you? I hope you had a great day, Vic Matt. How's your trekking family? All right. Who else is here? Scum Sapel. Hey, Ecom, what is up? Ali in the house, man. Lovable investment. Alan V. Trader X. No trades, no setup for me. Hey, we are scalpers, and I'm a micro scalper at times. We trade. As long as you know this larger grand scheme of things, those levels, you can definitely do scalping trades. Not a problem at all. Michael Anthony, what is up? Teams Simoke. Bowser in the house, man. Dan Evans in the house. ESNQ looks like a big arst. Bull flags on an hourly chart. Uh-oh, guys, man. We got Dan Evans saying it's bull flag. We have a problem here. Guys, you guys know I'm in short right now. I kind of got a little lucky, I'll be very honest with you. A little lucky at the start of this trading. Maybe it was a little mistake. I got sort of into a rush trade. Like, if you guys know, I got into the first trade of the day, which was like right up here, and then the market just literally pumped like 15-20 points all of a sudden from nowhere, and I was like, oh man, I'm in trouble here. But I did not get shaken out. I did not exit my trade. In fact, I waited and waited because I knew the market could end up getting a pullback right in front of that 840, guys, and I drew that line even well before this Asia Globex, guys, and I drew that line 840, and of course the market kept going, pushing into the 840s, got a big fat rejection of that level, obviously got to pull back down into the low 800s, and of course it ended up I exited this trade. To be honest, I got a little nervous. And I had 4 mini contracts in the trade, so I exited that trade with a negative $280. But it's a lot better than being down about $800. I was down $800 at one point, as you guys know. I was. Luckily, I got out with a negative 280, which I'll take it any day. And at the same time, I got a little lucky on this trade as well with the My Funded Futures funded account. Right, as you guys can see, on my first one that I traded, I was down about 280, 270 on that bounce into the 830s. And then, of course, the market started to get some big fat rejection of that level. 840 is a pretty significant level, as you guys can see. 840 and 830, right? And now, obviously, we start to get a pullback. And luckily, I had 2 mini contracts. I peeled the profits off the table, and I'm up $140 on that trade. And then I've got the second trade on my funded futures up about $50, and I'm gonna look to see. I'm not looking for a home run trade, just a very base hit into maybe about $120 maybe in profits, and I'll get out of this trade. MV, what is up, brother? How was your day? Bowser DCA gang. That's right, man. We are the gang. But I'm not really sure if it's DCA though. LMV, man. What is up? Yusuf Khan. What up, brother? What up? NLT Lewis, man. Great to see you. Hey, man. I thank you for being here, NLT. Alan, you agree the liquidity can swing up or down with no rhythm or reason? I mean, in particularly the Asian market is usually like that, right? It's tough. That's why it's tough to trade the Asia market, and I'll be very honest. That's why you really have to find a way to downsize my trades. Actually, initially when I started to get into the first trade of the day, I thought it was MNQ, and I didn't think it's an NQ. But you know what? Once I realized I'm in an NQ trade, I was like, you know what? Okay, well, I'm already in an NQ trade. It is what it is. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna step into this trades with NQ trade because I'm already in NQ, and look to see if we can actually get some little bit of a scalping trades. Unfortunately, I got a little shaken up right at the start. Now I'm trying to make a little comeback here. I have one win, 140 bucks, as you guys can see on that trade, and looking to see if I can actually go back to green on my XFA and my funded futures as well, on my funded accounts with XFA. Sorry, with the my funded futures. We'll see what happens. Thank you everybody for being here. Thank you for smashing the likes, everyone, and thank you for subscribing as well. Thank you for hitting the notification bell as well. Every time I go live, you all guys are going to get notified on my main channel as well. If you guys not know me, I've got two channels. One is the main channel, one is the second channel. With this right now, I'm live on the second channel, but you guys can subscribe on my main channel as well, because I will be going live time to time on the main channel very soon. Sean Hazel, what is up, man? Fiber Splice Gold, hey man, what up? How did everybody do today, guys? Nice, Chris, man. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for using my code as well, man. I truly appreciate it, guys. A big support to the stream and this channel, of course, for myself as well. And you guys know I do a lot of giveaways. It's all about giving back to the community, and I love it. I love doing that. Anyways, guys, let's take a look at the chat again. Let's end the poll. I've got a poll here. Will the chop ching continue tonight during the Globex Asia? And 70% said yes. Wow, look at that, guys. We have a lot of bulls here tonight. And I've been trying to short this market when bulk of the traders think we are going to pump here tonight. What a bad way to start today for me. Of course, man, I'm kind of struggling trying to short this market, guys. So I'll be very honest, man. I don't know, like, what am I supposed to do now? We're hitting that resistance zone here, 817, 840. I kind of feel like this is like the ceiling, a short-term ceiling here. Let's take a look, guys. Not a bad-looking chart, I'll be honest. But we still have to. Yeah, we got a lot of resistance, though. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I kind of feel like, you know, we are trying to push it down into some couple levels, which is right here, and then obviously ultimately the goal is right up down there, right? And this is against the very important trend line that we have, and we literally had an up and down. We are trying to get a bounce of this pivot here, but honestly we still have to be above 900 to really kind of feel like a little more bullish. I don't know if this market really has what it takes right now at this point, and I could be wrong. So a very short term, honestly, a very short term sort of a scalp trade to the bear side, to the short side, of course. That's what I have in my mind, and like, honestly I could be wrong, you know. Overall, if you just take a look from a 30-minute standpoint, it does look like it wants to curl back up again, right? Like this, right? This is what I kind of feel like, and I agree with the majority of the traders here tonight, thinking the market will eventually get a bounce. But I'm kind of thinking a little bit more short-term based, very short-term, kind of like in the next couple hours, where is this market really going to go? I kind of feel like, you know, we have a lot of resistance here. We may try to retest a little bit of a an area 760 zone, so maybe a pullback another 30-40 points, maybe a healthy thing. It's not a bad thing at all, right? Maybe a little bit of a pullback, you know, down into the 760, and from there we can call back up, retest the pivot here, and then try to get a bounce back again into the 840s. And if that 840 obviously ends up holding, then you get into the 870, which is another level, and then of course you end up getting to the 960s. So we'll see where this market goes here. A very short-term bear biased to me. So I'm looking for a little pullback here, guys, and I could be completely out of whack. Who knows? We'll find out, guys. But I like the idea of if we can hold this, I like the idea of, right, something like this, you know what I mean? So like if we're in that kind of a bottoming process, but in order to have this bottoming process, I'm kind of thinking we get a little pullback down, right? Maybe triple bottom here, sweep the low, right? And then get a bounce. So we have a triple bottom here, sweep the low, bottoming process, right? Retest the low and get a bounce. How about that? Is that a big, like, am I asking for too much right now? I don't know. Are we just gonna go straight in one line here? I honestly, I find it hard to believe. I could be wrong. I know a lot of you are long right now, but I'm leaning more to the downside. We'll see what happens. I kind of got cooked on this first trade I got into. Let's see if we can actually make a little comeback here. All right, so I'm up on one account and I'm down on two accounts right now, on my funded futures funded account and XFA as well. So XFA is kind of a big account. I'm gonna do a little recap on what happened last night. Anyways, guys, coming back here, Monica in the house. Chris, man, what is up? Thank you for your support to the stream. Sean Hazel, bulls looking good. Break through the 840 times the party. Uh-oh. Let's take a look and see, are you bull or bear tonight? Let's take a look, guys. Are you bull? Are you bull? Are you bull? Or are you bull tonight? All right, guys, I want to know what you guys are right now. Are you guys bull or bear? Let's do a little poll here. I want to find out, guys. Thank you so much. I want to find out, guys. It is very important. We got a lot of bulls here, guys, man. I may be alone. I may be very, very isolated, which is not good. Okay, which is not great. Oh dear, Bull Cambo bull, Sean Hazel bull, Captain Price's haha. It's not a bull, he's a haha. Hey, what is up? Final countdown in the house, man. What is up? Yo. How was your day? Final countdown. Hope you are having a great day. Oh, we got a bear too. I thought, Monica, you went long today. I thought you went long and I thought you said you're gonna go to bed. You're long and you're gonna go to bed. Dobbs Trader, what is up, man? Nice hate. You hate me. That's what you say. You hate me. Look, Dobbs Trader hates me so much, man. Oh, I was wrong. He says nice hat. Okay, I misunderstood. I was just kidding anyways. All right, guys, let's see if we get a little pullback here down. Let's take a look and see if we get a pullback into the 810s. All right. Thank you for your subscription, Gonzalo Gratier. What is up? At work. Nice. Final countdown. Look at you. Making profits at work. Making profits on vacation. Adino, subscribe. Thank you so much for your subscription, everybody. Thank you for so much for your subscription, everyone. And make sure to smelt that like never before. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, we got an Apex account giveaway here tonight. Apex account giveaway, guys. It's all about giving back to the community. Let's do it. Let's make it happen here tonight. Everyone, Triple M is here in the house as well. Fought the market all day. Finally, you fought the market all day and you're up 80 bucks. You know what? 80 bucks is still, you're in the green, right? You're still in profits. You're still in the green. I'll take it any day. A lot of people lost. A lot of people lost accounts today, and you made profits. 80 bucks. Kudos to you. Great job. Happy Kids in the house. What is up, man? NLT Lewis, man. You cannot find an entry. There's a lot of entries, man, a lot of entries. If you just draw a little channel, support and resistance, I mean, it's very obvious where you are going to find an entry, right? We have one entry here. We've got another one here. Oh, we've got one entry here as well. We've got one more entry here. If you kind of feel like this market is going to start to get a pullback, then obviously you want to be hopping onto the short side on a bounce into this level of resistance, right? We've got some levels here I'm kind of watching. It's gonna get tricky, to be honest, but I like it to, I still like it. I don't know why. What is it about me that I like it to the downside here, guys? Anyways, I've got two open positions. One is on my funded futures funded account, and this is the core account, by the way. And we've got also XFA account that is pretty down heavily, a badly injured, wounded, if you will. Uh-oh, Captain Price says we are going to the moon. We are in trouble here. Sean Hazel in the house. The Bulls powering. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I supposed to be getting out of my trades now? What am I supposed to do? I still like it to the downside. I don't know why. I don't know why, guys. I think I'm gonna get cooked. We'll find out if Stock Tiger gets cooked on this trades here tonight, or am I going to be banking and getting back into the profit mode? So just to give you a little recap on what happened last night, I don't know if you guys seen this account. I had one of my XFA. I was down about $800, as you guys know. If you guys take a look at my streaming last night, I was down about $800. Hold on one second, guys. Something's going on with my phone. Uh-oh. I'm in trouble. All right. Something going on with my computer, guys. Something is cooking underneath the surface. Anyways, I was down on one of my XFA, $800. I don't know if you guys were there while I was live streaming last night. I was down $800, and we ended the stream. I called it a day, and I said, you know what? It's no point in trading anymore because I'll just keep losing. So I walked away. I ended the stream, and guess what? At about 11 o'clock at night, I decided to go short position, 2 mini contracts, and I took obviously the first take profit pretty quick. I think I made about $400 on that first NQ trade that I took the position off, and then I left one mini contract for an overnight trade. I wake up in the morning and I'm like, I'm up like $1,600. So all in, I was up about 2K. I'll give you a little snapshot on what happened. Now it's very, very interesting here, guys. So just like take a look at my stat. So here I am, right? This is the $2,000 that I made yesterday, and that was an overnight trade. Let's take a look at the quick snapshot of how that trade went. Oh, actually, I never went. No, I thought I went 2 mini contracts. But anyways, guys, so this is the trade I had. Was it in the morning? I took my profits in the morning. Where was the overnight duration for 6 hours? Oh, there we go. At 3 a.m. in the morning. No, I got into this trade. Where? At 8:30. That's right. 8:30. Oh, sorry. That was 8:30 at night. So that's like 11 o'clock. A little less than 11 o'clock at Eastern time. And I took it off at 3 o'clock in the morning. I took it off at 3 o'clock in the morning, and that was like $2,000. It's right there. This is the one. And I obviously made some couple more trades as well in the morning. What's the hold on one second. There's something going on here. I don't know. I think I got a little mixed up. Let's take a look at it again. Where was my trade? Why is the trades looking like this? Today's what? Today's 18th, so it was 17. It's supposed to be 17th or what? No, it's not supposed to be 17th. It's supposed to be 18th. Honestly, I don't even know if this is important, but I just want to take a little snapshot on my trades. So I showed it. What time did I actually get into that trade? I think I got it at about 9 to 10 o'clock at night. I thought that was when I actually got into this trade. I don't know exactly what it is. So is this the one? Maybe 8:24 p.m. my time. So that's my entry. I don't know, but it was an overnight trade. Made 2 grand. We'll take it. Here, right here, guys. This is the morning trade, overnight trade, and I'm kind of down right now, 281. So we'll see if we can actually make a little comeback here. Again, guys, man, back to back. I've been down about. I've been down for the last few days on the Asian market, man. Asian market definitely not been very supportive to Stock Tiger here. Been pretty challenging to trade the Asian market, guys. So I've been kind of struggling, if you will, during the Asian market lately, which is kind of fine. I mean, you're not going to be perfect in every session every day, right? Some days you're going to lose, some months, some weeks you're going to lose. And certain sessions you're going to do better than the other, right? Asian market has been pretty good to me. If you just really take a look from a grand scheme of things, April, May was like probably the best months during the Asian market, right? And then I did a lot worse during the New York in the last couple months. But lately, I've been doing super duper really well during New York. And obviously, Asian market, not that great. But you know what? It's not the end of the world. We'll make a little nice comeback here. Even during the Asian market, you can still bank. I know a lot of traders feel very skeptical and confused and concerned about how the price action is during the Asian market. But guess what, guys? I am the first-hand experience. I am the one who's making profits during the Asian market, and overnight trade as well. So, Sean Hazel, man, win some, loss, as long as you win overall. That's right, exactly. Monica, man, have a great night. Have a great night. Hope you have a great sleep. We'll see you back tomorrow, Monica. PG, man, PG. NLT Lewis, man, let me see your entries. Oh, I just showed it to you. I hope that's enough. This PA is really bad. Price action is really bad. I'm not trading this. Yeah, Savvy, hey. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. 10 Wazzy, I think short is good. We'll join you in the next candle. Oh, in the next candle. Hey, up to you. Up to you. All I really need is like extra 40 bucks, and I only need $100 so I can count it as a day, guys. So I can count it as a day. That's all it matters to me. Oh, guys, I think I got it. Let's see if I got it right here. Oh, man. Man, it was 110 bucks. It was 110 bucks. And now I'm down to what now again? Well, I'm still up 90 bucks, but I was there. I was there. Let's see if I can close this, guys. Let's see if I can actually end up closing this. I would love to close this, man. Look at this bounce. I hate it myself sometimes. Look at this, man. I had a chance to get out of this trade. Let's see if I can get out right now. There we go, guys. $115 right there on this funded account. My funded futures, guys. Big bang. There we go, guys, man. I love it. I love it, guys. Now I'm gonna log this in. I've got 2 accounts right now. Over $100. That's all you need. That's all you need to count it as a day. This just doesn't get any better, guys. And I am back here again. We just couldn't get above this pivot, guys. We just could not get above this pivot. We just could not get above this pivot, guys. I have a chance of being back in the green here, guys, on this account right now, guys. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna look to hold this, guys. I'm gonna look to hold this. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get into a trade with MNQ. Right, this is what I'm gonna do. While I am going to close my position on the NQ, guys, pretty soon. So I wanted to get ready with MNQ trade there, and I'm gonna exit this NQ trade pretty soon. I should have taken my profits. Man, that was like 240 bucks in profits there. Hold on 1 second, guys. 1 second. Get back into the MNQ. There you go. My orders are getting filled on my M&Q. Let's take a look at the NQ, guys, man. I need this NQ to pull back here, back down into the 792s. So anyways, guys, you only need one good trade to build your account. You know what I mean? So this account was literally down about $800, negative $800. Now I'm up $2,400 on this account. And in the next day or two, I'm going to be requesting a payout. Right? And we are here. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's see if we can actually crack underneath this EMA support. There's going to be a big one here, 800. See if we get a pull back here down into this 790 zone. I'd love to see this thing pull back here a little bit. Another 10 points. I'll love it. It's not looking good, but I am riding with the bulls. We got a lot of bulls, guys. We got a lot of bulls here, guys. Money is going to INTC, Intel, right now. Well, how much can it really go to Intel, to be honest? Intel, right? Just needed a day. G-Man, what is up, brother? G-Man. Ecom, what up? J Trades, the 13th squad. Hi Tiger, what account size are you trading right now for that lot size? I'm trading 50k account size, guys. Normally I trade the 50ks. I don't know, like probably the bulk of my trades are in the 50ks. Like 70 to 80% of the time, I usually trade the 50ks, guys. FYI. And how was everybody's day? You guys want to share how you guys did today? Let me know how you guys did today, guys. I would love to hear your stories. Okay. Jonathan E, what is up? 600 after being down 700 on your combine account. Dean Buiver, mostly green on the New York. Stephen Seller, what up? Light green on the 3. Are you traded today? Nice. Sam Trades is here in the house, man. Tufu, up $100, call it a day. Guys, I'm looking for a little pullback here. I'm not really looking for a big push down into, obviously, the 770s. All I'm really looking for is a pullback, just a little pullback down. Oh, by the way, I'm on a 30 minutes chart. I didn't realize that, guys. Sorry about that. Let's move back to the 5 minutes chart. I didn't realize I'm on a 30 minutes chart, which is crazy. Okay, 812 here. I'm looking for a pullback down into the 780s. Let's see if we get it right now. We get a bounce or we get a pullback here. We'll find out, guys. King L83, what is up, man? What does your NQ look different? Because I was on a 30 minutes chart, brother. I was on a 30 minutes chart. My apologies, everyone. I was on a 30 minutes chart, so now I'm in a 5 minutes chart. So Let's see if we get a little pullback here. I've got 2 trades, open trades right now on MNQ and NQ both. Let's take a look at the MNQ. MNQ, I'm with 3 contracts here. I'm still looking for a little pullback here on this NQ. Just not getting it right now, guys. A beautiful flush down would be amazing. Let's see if we get it right here. Let's see if we get it, guys. That's a weird one. I could do that much. Savage 3. Do you trade in New York? I mean, I don't live stream during New York, because trading is still my part-time job. I'm not a full-time trader. I'm like an extreme part-time trader. And if you guys are same situation as I am, then you guys are at the right place in my opinion, because you guys are seeing a very, very part-time trader banking, building profits, getting lots of payouts, lots and lots of payouts. This is the right place for you. Absolutely. Being a part-time trader cannot be an excuse for us to not keep banking, everyone. You're longing to break the high. Oh my god. Oh, we got a lot of bulls here, guys. 100 contracts in NQ at 800. 800. All right. That's the EMA support here, 800. We'll see if we can actually crack here to the downside, guys. Honestly, I'm not really sure. Am I supposed to be... I would really like to get out of my trade, to be honest. I would really love to. But I kind of feel like, you know, we've got some little bit more juice here to the downside. And that's what kind of makes me... I want to hold this. You know what I mean? I want to hold this just because... I kind of feel like, you know, we've got some more room here to the downside, everyone. What am I going to do? Am I going to hold this? Damn. I really want to get out of this trade, to be honest. Because this is 185 minus, I'm already down about 280 bucks. I'll be down literally about 100 bucks and change. But I'm really looking for, you know what? I'm going to wait. I'm going to stay a little patient on this. I'm going to look for a little pullback here down. Right into the next support, which should be in that 790s, man. I'm still looking for a target 790s here, guys. I'm gonna place my stop. Sorry, I'm gonna place my limit order into the 790s, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna change that. You guys see my limit order set here at 797. Just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna look to see if we can actually get a little bit of a flash down into that 790s, and then we'll look to take my profits if I can. The real chat in the house, man. Thank you for your subscription, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. And thank you, guys. You know, please, if you guys are enjoying what you guys see, please take a moment to smoke that like. If you guys want to support the stream, if you guys are enjoying what you guys see, and make sure to subscribe as well. Very interesting price action so far. Very, very interesting. We could certainly just get a bounce of this EMA support at 800. Somebody mentioned there is a lot of orders waiting in that 800 zone. And it really kind of makes sense for a bounce from that area. But I'm still looking for a little pullback here into the low 790s. Let's see if we get it, you know. We are pretty close. We're not far off. We just need 5 points pullback here down. 5 points is all we need to really get it down. Very, very close, guys. Those 100 contracts get pulled. This is the reason why I hate looking at level 2, guys. Somebody mentioned about this level 2 before, but I'll tell you one of the reasons why I don't like watching level 2. First of all, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, just me, it's me though. For me, it's a distraction, number one. You've got a lot of things to consider when you're trading, but level 2 for me is a distraction. And I'll tell you one of the reasons why it's a distraction, because all those orders that is piled up in certain levels just disappear. Obviously, it's not always the case, but in a lot of cases, you see this big bulky order come in and just goes away. Why do you think that's the case? You know what I mean? Like, you've got this channel, you've drawn your channels here in your chart. That's all that really matters at the end of the day, because this price is going to react at those key levels, right? It's a very obvious reason why these prices are going to react at these levels. As you guys can see, 840, we had a big bang into the 840s and we flushed it down. We got a big reaction that's to the downside, a big rejection of the 840. And now we're finding some level of support in this EMAs here. And that's another minus support, 800. And that's where you see those bulky orders on the level 2. But the question now is, are we going to hold this level now, right? We have a key support here at 778, right? Obviously, if it cracks underneath the 778, then of course this is going to look a lot more bearish, and we're going to see this thing pull back maybe into the 680s and 640s as well. We'll see, guys. It's 50-50 at this point. We're sitting right in the middle, right? It's going to be a lot more bullish, of course, as soon as we try to crack over 820. And this is going to look a lot more bearish, of course, as soon as it cracks underneath the 790. And honestly, I'm right in the middle. My entry here was right at the rejection of this pivot. I'm still looking for a pullback here into the 790s. What is up, man? Eggcom in the house. Jonathan E. There was 1,600 lots. Exactly. I mean, and then they just disappear. And that's it. It always happens like that. Always happens. Just levels are, I don't know. But anyways, guys, on this trade, I'll tell you right now, it's 50-50. It could turn into a very bullish momentum move, or it could also become a very bearish momentum move to the downside as well. So it's 50-50 at this point. You know, if you guys are on a short trade, if you guys are on a long trade, just make sure you guys have your hard stop in place. I don't have it right now, but obviously as soon as you crack over 830 zone, I will exit my trade, because I kind of feel like as soon as you try to kiss this 830, the market is no longer bearish, because we just cracked over, let's say, the pivot, which is right here. If we crack over that, and if we can hold this area here, then I think we just keep moving to the upside, right? Higher low, higher low, and the new trend is to the upside. That's what it's probably may end up doing. And guys, man, my orders are getting filled on my MNQs that I'm in, and this is not looking good on this bounce right now. Ugh, not looking that good, guys. Holy moly. A trend line is not a pivot. Yeah, this is not a trend line. And yeah, man, thanks guys for your subscription to this channel. And thank you thank you guys all for always being here. Always being here. Thank you. A million thanks to everybody. All right, so I've only got one open position right now with XFA. I closed my position on my funded futures funded accounts because I made over $100 on each of these accounts, so I didn't really see a reason why I should be in this trade. Right, it counters a day. Now this is going to be my second day. Sorry, my second day or my third day? I think it's my third day if I'm not wrong. Let's just take a look here, guys. I just want to make sure. Yeah, this is going to be my second day, guys. This is my second day, and so tomorrow during the Asian market, it's going to be my third day. Right, so we are getting pretty close for a beautiful payout, guys, man. That's going to be another $2,000 on my funded futures funded account. And guess what, guys, in the next day or two I will be requesting another $3,000 from TopStep XFA accounts that I have here with me. As you guys can see, I've got one of my accounts is $3,600 and one of the other account is at $2,400 right now sitting at. So if you combine the both, it's about 6,000. If you divide that into two, that's 50%. That's going to get me that's gonna get me three grand. So 3 grand and 2 grand for my funded future. That's gonna be 5, and that completes my payout for the month of August. Well over 20,000, which is going to be an absolute, not the greatest so far, but it's definitely my third most. No, I don't think so. Maybe third most in the first 20 days. I'm really looking for a push over 20k so I can on the first 20 days of the month, and so I can really focus on the last 10 days of the month in really trying to see if I can make another 15k or so. And that's definitely doable, I think. Just a couple nice trades on XFAs and a couple consistent trades of $100 or more on my funded futures, and couple big trades with Take Profit Trader is gonna get me there. I think maybe 5 grand with Take Profit Trader, 5 grand with XFA, and another 5 with my funded futures too. It's very doable, guys, man. Looking good so far. Let's make it happen, everyone. You have a 2,000, you can request 1,000. Koba boy, what are you talking about? Are you talking about XFA? XFA, you can request 50%. 50%. All right, are we going to get a pullback here, or are we just going to just sit here and not do anything? Is this market trying to just sit here at 810 and just not do anything, guys? What do you guys think, everyone? Benjamin, what is up, man? Didn't you draw on the gold line saying the pivot is right there? I have no idea, Benjamin. I have no idea. JJ in the house, man. What is up, Jay? Why are you carving your nice haircut? I have no idea, Jay. Just leave me alone for today. John Hazel, what is up, man? It's hard to watch. I'll let the trade roll. That's right. Yes, you only do top step. What is your favorite prop? Oh, you only do top step. Okay. Well, good to know, Koba. Oh, you only do top step. What is your favorite prop firm? My favorite prop firm still would be Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is still my favorite. What is up, T. Charles, man? Jonathan E, what up? All right. Have you ever used Fundit Next? No, I don't use Fundit Next. I'm not interested in Fundit Next. I'm only interested in few firms. Take Profit Trader. My Funded Futures. Funding Ticks. Top Step. Then Tradify. Lucid Trading. Trade Day. And what else is there? I think that's it. That's it. That's all I have. I don't trade Funded Next. I don't do that. All right, yeah, this market all of a sudden really slowed down. Not really knowing what it wants to do at this level. I'm still looking for a pullback, but it's just been here at 810 for a long time now. Right? We've been just sitting here for about 30 minutes just at 810. It's been a long time, guys. I'm on a 5-minute chart right here. I'm on a 5-minute chart. Interesting. Hopefully we get more volume in 2 minutes. Oh, we may. Oh, that's right. We've got Asia, guys. We've got Asia open in 2 minutes. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble now. I'm in trouble, guys. Thank you so much, Sean Hazel, for reminding me. I completely forgot the Asia market is open in 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. Asia is open. I've got a lot of open positions. I better be careful now. Oh dear. Are we going to get a pullback? The kind of a pullback that I've been looking for. Are we finally going to get that, guys? Tokyo in 1 more minute, guys. This is in trouble. Oh dear. All right, guys, we are getting that pullback. Just give it to me, hon. All right, guys, 8:04. Tokyo open in 1 more minute, guys. I'm gonna place my order at 800, guys. 800 is my stop. Oh man, getting very nervous. Getting very nervous here, guys. 805. The market at 805. 805. Let's see if we get a little flush. Guys, Tokyo is open now. Tokyo is open. And I put a very tight limit order. Guys, am I gonna get filled? Am I gonna get filled right here? Am I going to get filled? You've got to be kidding me, guys. You've got to be kidding. No way. That's not. I can't believe that. Did not get filled? You've got to be kidding me, man. Let's get it filled right now. Come on. Oh, you've got to be kidding, everyone. Are you kidding me? Come on, give me a fill. Oh, guys, I'm exit this. I'm exit that trade. Whew! I exited that trade, guys. It's okay, I'll take it, you know? And I thought I was in trade with M&Q. Where did my M&Q trades go? Oh, did I flatten all? Is that the reason why? Damn, guys, I hate myself sometimes. Placing this flat all. I think I flattened all. That's what happened. Frustrating. Very annoying. I do that all the time, guys, man. I flatten all the time. All the freaking time, guys, man. Can this get any more annoying? But hey, you know what? It's okay because I was in profits. But guess what? If I was in negative, I would have been mad. But I was in green, guys. Man, I'm back in. I'm back plus now. $27. Can this be any better? Back plus. I was down 287. I'm plus 227 now. Incredible, incredible. Stop Tigers, incredible. The #1 big trader. The #1. The #1. Guys, but I'm hungry. Oh! Tokyo's open, guys. We're getting a nice little bounce. Maybe I was supposed to go long. Let's try to see if I can actually bank a little more. Alright guys, here I am. Now I'm finally trading very conservatively, because I'm honestly just looking for about $130 in trade. So once I see a little direction to move, I'm gonna ride the train. Here's Johnny in the house. Yeah, I know. You get hungry when you win. I know. Guys, you guys never told me how was your day, man. Can somebody tell me how was your day? Did you have a great trade today? Did you guys bank? Did you guys get payouts? Go B, what happens happens. Nice. Chris W, man. So guys, man, 3 trades all in the green. I'll take it. I'll take it, guys. 3 green trades of the day. I only had 3 trades, and all the 3 trades are in the green. Richard Dowdy, you blew an account this morning. It's an eval. Perfectly fine. We blow evals, we blow accounts every day, guys. You know? It's part of the process. Somebody asked me, how do you blow accounts? I'm like, what are you talking about? Uh-oh, guys. Are you gonna get a flushy here? I better be careful. Yeah, I lose accounts. Yeah. I lose accounts. Funny guy. I only lose 2 accounts. I only lose 2 accounts. Guys, man, I lose a whole bunch of accounts, man. What are you guys talking about? Oh, sorry, I think Jay asked me a question. You make $7,000, man. Jay, you are the man. Look at you, man. 7 grand. That's like somebody's monthly paycheck. And somebody's maybe 2 months of paycheck. Jay, sounds like you're a full-time trader. Incredible. Trader X, I only spend $1. I've only spent $1 on accounts. Yeah, how many contracts do you trade? Hey Jay, man, I mean, I don't know. You've been here in the stream for a long time, but I normally trade like one. I would say on a medium, a sweet spot is about 1 mini contract. I would say. I think my sweet spot is 1 mini. Guys, man, the 7K that Jay just made, that's not a small amount, man. The 7K is literally somebody's 2 months worth of paycheck. What are you talking about? Here's Johnny. What is up, man? That's me. It takes me 2 months to make that. Here's Johnny. How many XFA do I have? I have 2, and I'm working on the other 2 combines. I almost lost 1 XFA right here when we got this pump here. I almost lost it. Let's take a look. How much do you spend on accounts? How much do you spend on accounts? I think somebody asked me, how many accounts did you lose? I'm like, how the hell do you know how many accounts you lose? But I set budget in place every month, right? So I set budget between $15 to $3,000. That's the budget I put in place every month, right? So every month I put a budget $15 to $3,000. That's the budget I have to spend for the entire month. And so the goal here, the idea here is to make sure I get over $15,000 worth of the payouts. That's a base case, not the best case, base case. That's a 15,000 payout base case and over 30,000 plus as a best case scenario with a spending of between $1,500 to $3,000. That's my sort of what do you call this? That's pretty much my game plan, if you will. That's how I do stuff. So if you're gonna ask me how many accounts did you lose, I have no idea. I think funding ticks $50 right now with the $1,000 cap, the max cap. You can actually take $1,000 on each payout, and you only pay $50 for that account, 50K, and end of day drawdown. Guys, I mean, I don't know what else can you ask for. This is like the silliest deal you can ever get. $50. $1-800 too easy. You have no real trading strategy, right? Yeah, I'm an ICT trader. I have no strategy because I do ICT. Jay, what is the code for my funded futures? Tiger, guys. All my codes are Tiger. I don't have different codes. It's all Tiger. Live Fox Trader. The Top Step promo is just for new users on their new dashboard. Guys, what is the market trying to do right now? Are we gonna get a bounce or are we gonna get a pullback? Like, this market really has to make up its mind, because I need my profits. Where's the 60% off code for funded futures? Nobody said there's a promo code for funded futures. We're talking about funding ticks. Funding ticks has a 50% off. Sorry, not 50% off. The funding ticks has a $50 on their 50K account. Really, Slyfox? What is the code for Top Step? Let me know right now. I don't think that's code. I don't think there's code. I think Slyfox is... Yeah, Dash 25, that's for the new users on the new dashboard. What are you talking about, bro? Yeah, that's an old news. I think Slyfox has to step up here a little bit. Yeah, Slyfox. Man, I'm gonna in about 30 minutes I'm gonna go grab some noodles. Korean noodles. Dash 25 doesn't work, guys, man. If you already used Dash 25, you can use up to five accounts for a little bit of a discount. I don't know exactly how much that was, but Dash 25 gives you, I think, 25% off on the evals, but it's only for the new users on your new dashboard. So I'm really planning to load in a lot of accounts pretty soon and get ready for the month of September, guys. It could be the funding ticks that I may try to attack really aggressively, but the only catch here is, do I really need any more accounts with $1,000 payout? You know what I mean? Like a $1,000 cap. Do I really need that account anymore? Because I already have my funded futures. I kind of feel like I need accounts that I can take over $5,000 of payouts in one single go, right? I need a bigger accounts, if you will. For me, but I think if you're fairly new and if you are kind of like struggling to get payouts, I think it's immensely important that take a look at guys like Buy Funded Futures, even if it's a $1,000 payout cap. Those things kind of help you. Look, I never took a payout with my Funded Futures, as you guys know. I posted on our community tab, and I mentioned that I've never taken a payout with my Funded Futures, and that's why I'm willing to take a stab on a core account, because that's the cheapest you get. And even though it's a $1,000 payout cap, I'm willing to take a stab because I've never taken a payout. So why are you trying to be greedy, trying to look for a bigger payouts? Be happy, you know, be content with 1,000 payout cap, right? And it's okay even if it's one mini contract. And if that's the most you can actually get into a contract size, what's the problem with 1NQ? It's great. With 1NQ, you can still bank quite a bit of money. Look at me, guys. I took $2,000 profit on my XFA with one mini contract. You guys seen that? I showed it to you guys. This $2,000 is from one size, from one contract. It's one contract, guys. Literally one contract. One contract here, guys. This is all I did. Do you really need that much more? I don't know. Tiger, just pay a couple dollars more and do the 5K payout on a 50K. Yeah, you know what, Profess guy, you're absolutely right. For me. So by the way, if I did not have my Funded Futures accounts right now, I would have taken a step with the 1K payout cap. But because I already have a lot of 1K payout cap on my Funded Futures, I think I kind of need a bigger account so that I can actually end up taking a lot more at the end of the month. You know what I mean? Cup, I told you, I'm a part-time trader. I only have 30% of my time within that 24 hours to trade. So, Asian market is the only time I can trade. And that's why I trade Asian market, because that's the only option I have. If you ask me, honestly, I would love to trade and go live streaming and do it in New York, but I just can't do that. I would love to, you know, and have some fun doing the Asian market. But as you guys have seen me quite often, I take it very seriously when I trade the Asian market, because this is the only time of the session where I can actually sit on my desk and really try to get into some great trades. Obviously not necessarily a great setup because you're in Asia, but try to make some good trades. And so far I kind of feel like, you know, I've been pretty successful, to be honest. Just look at my trades today, for example, right? I got into my Funded Futures. Do I have to trade this account anymore tomorrow? No, I don't have to. Why? Because I've got my job done today during the Asian market. I don't have to get into this trade anymore. What I have to do, I have to trade my other accounts. I've got a lot of other accounts I've got to trade, like Take Profit Trader. I've got to trade the Trade Day. I've got to trade the Lucid Trading. I don't know why this project actually keep logging you off if you're inactive. Anyways, Trade Day, Lucid Trading. I've got 2 funded accounts with them right now, and I gotta trade these accounts. I'll probably trade them tomorrow morning. And I also have a couple funding ticks as well. So I've got a lot of accounts that I gotta take care of, including Top Step as well. Top Step, I've got 2 XFA that I'm pretty close to taking a payout on these accounts. Just 1 second, guys. Are we going to start to get a pullback here? I am long, but it looks like we are gonna start to break it to the downside. We're slowly grinding here, losing momentum. We're kind of running out of steam. I don't like this price action so far. This could be a little bit of a retest here, here, and here. Pull back and get a balance, and you got a little pivot here as well. Maybe bounce back, but it's gonna take a little bit of time, I guess, right? So before we get a bounce, maybe we get a little pullback down into the 770s maybe and 750s, and then start to get a bounce from there. That's what I have at the moment. Just moving back to the 3 minutes chart. I'm glad that I got out of my Funded Futures accounts in green, because that's gonna ruin my day. I had a pretty ugly start, of course, you guys seen that. If you guys were here right from the start today, you guys seen that trade. I almost got smoked on a lot of my trades that I got into. For the funding ticks, for 1K, you have to choose the drawdown that's that's $1,000 on funding ticks. Because I have no idea what you guys talking about, guys, man. Can you guys please be a little bit more clear? Jay, no, it doesn't have to be 25K. It's on a 50K too. If you click so on a new challenge, if you go to funding ticks, you pick the Pro Plus, and then if you click on the Pro Plus, you have two options. One is you have the $5,000 reward cap, that's the payout cap, or you have $1,000 payout cap. Right? You have to pick one of the two. The smaller one that you pick, that's a $50. Okay? Oh really? Are we actually going to get a deal with the My Funded Futures too? Guys, is that real? I mean, if it's $55, then it obviously makes a lot more sense. Oh really? My Funded Futures coming up? Okay. Well, I'll load. If it's $55, I'm gonna load in 10 accounts in My Funded Futures and load in another 10 with the funding ticks then. Yeah, I've got to load in some accounts, man. I'm well in the house money right now, so it's looking good. Yeah, Apex is a little too pricey right now, guys, man. I don't know what Apex is doing, to be honest. I don't. So I have nothing bad against Apex. I was just hoping if they could actually be a little more proactive in promotions. So let's say if they bring it down, if they even bring it down their activation fee to, let's say, 110, it's gonna help a lot. Oh man, look at that, guys, man. Hold on one second, guys.
Order filled.
Did you get denied a lot? Yeah, I think about 35% of my payouts were denied in the last 6 to 7 months. But you know what? It's okay as long as see, when you get denied, your profits are not going away. It's just being there. It's just gonna sit there. You just have to trade another 8 more days. That's really all it is. But I mean, I got nothing against Apex. Everything is great. I think it's fine. And I think, for that matter, every firm has their own rules, and we just have to respect their rules and just trade. And I think the more important thing than, you know, saying stuff about firms. I think probably the best way to do this is to kind of diversify yourself and to get into more firms instead of trying to stick to one. Like, you guys know me. If you guys have seen me for a long time, you guys know that I've been trading with only Apex for the first 8 months of the year. And then it's only this year when I started to really diversify and try to spread it across the board. And obviously I started off with Take Profit Trader, and then I moved to Top Step. It took me a lot of effort and change in the mindset to get into other firms, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. And at the beginning I kind of failed because I wasn't taking this account very seriously. And you know what I mean? It's just mental. It's just mental, guys. Because you've been trading with Apex for so long that when you're trading Apex account, you take it very seriously. But then as soon as you move to something else, it's like you kind of feel like you're in a casino. You know what I mean? It feels very different. Or maybe a paper account, for example. Here's Royal Traits. What is up, brother? What is up? Chris W on the vessel explosion. Maybe there was a spike. Really? Guys, are we gonna get a pullback here? I almost kind of feel like, you know, we are gonna dump here. We broke underneath the key level here, 787. Maybe I should have held it. Let's see if I can actually hold this. I hope they're not gonna dump right now, guys, man. I'll be in trouble on this trade. It doesn't look that great, guys, man. What was that pump all about right at the start of this Asian market? Right, that was literally about 30 points moved to the upside, and obviously you start to get a pullback here, but did Apex make you a better trader? 100%. 100%. Apex definitely did a lot of good than bad for me. You just, guys, man, just think about it. For the first 6 to 7 months trading Apex, it only costed me $16 to get into an eval account, and that too with 150k accounts. Even 150k accounts were $16, and the activation for a lifetime was 85 bucks. I don't know if you guys were there 11 12 sorry, I don't know if you guys were there 10 months ago. Or maybe 12 months ago, I don't know exactly. Guys, we're getting a pullback here, man. It's not looking that great, to be honest. I kind of feel like I'm stuck in this trade now. Look at this, guys, man. As when I'm trying to get into these trades, I'm not getting filled. Now I'm getting filled. Look, we're getting a bounce now. Man, these fills are just not happening. Fills are just not happening, which is fine. Chris W just bought mine. Damn you. Captain Price, man. Poop poop. Tyson Hall, what is up, man? What is up? Justin Wright. Lovable investment. I guess DCA is a strategy, but you need not go in so hard. Yeah, just have a little bit of a balance, I guess. Justin Wright, you're exactly right. 90% off and 85 activation. You know what? Not even 85, you know. Even if it's 115 bucks activation, I'll still take it. Sanderd, what is up, man? Looking like it's looking weak, guys, man. Just really losing, kind of running out of steam here. I don't know. Looks weak. That's all I can say. Maybe get a little bounce. Maybe we get a little bounce, I guess. But looking weak, man. Kind of feel like, you know, we're gonna get down into the 750s now. If we can hold this level, then I think we pull back all the way into the 750s. And maybe then on we get a little bounce. Maybe I can look to average it down, you know, and try to exit my trade on a bounce. Holy guys, man, this pullback is real. Guys, this pullback is real, man. Hold on 1 second. I'm on a 3 minutes chart too. Better be careful. I really better be careful here. This pullback here is pretty serious. I don't know what's going on right now. Did we get any earnings come out today? Am I missing any earnings? We had a pretty good meeting, right? The Trump and Zelensky and everybody else, the European leaders. But it doesn't look good here, guys. I think it almost kind of looks like it wants to flush it down. I'm gonna exit this, guys, man.
Order filled. 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 Order rejected.
I'm pissed. Damn, guys, I may lose his account. I may lose. Yeah, sometimes I get wild like this, so don't be surprised if you guys see once in a while. That's a V-ship bounce. Yeah, that's fine, guys, man. If I end up losing this account, that's fine. I took a stab. I got a little angry, but at the same time, it is what it is. I've already taken a stab at this trade, so it's already done. Yeah, look at that, guys. Just right at the 763, got a bounce. Yeah, I did definitely end up putting myself in deep trouble. It looks like a bounce. Man, look at that that week, 762. We'll see though, and we still haven't really broken the 788, so if I can survive this trade, we could also just see this thing get down into the 730s as well. If we end up losing, if we can hold the 787 area, I think we could see this thing pull back all the way down. But it's I think the more of a concern to me is, am I gonna be able to hold this trade a little longer, right? That's the problem, because I only have $1,200 drawdown now, so I'm kind of losing out. I've got 50 micro. So if we get a bounce, I still kind of feel like, you know, we get a pullback, but am I gonna get blown before we start to get a pullback? I was a little late. I should have gotten into this trade a while ago, which I was thinking, but then I didn't really think this is gonna just keep pulling back here, and I just kept talking, and then I realized I'm a little late to the party. Anyways, guys, if I lose this account, we'll call it a day, and we'll see you guys back next year. So if we get a pullback here, this could really go all the way down. I just first of all, I realized that like 30 minutes ago that I think it was a good idea to short this market. Obviously, I was kind of cute with this. I went long, and I got trapped, and then I got a little angry, and I went full port on a short-sided trade, thinking we are going to get this one more flush here to the downside. And that's what I was kind of thinking. We get one more leg to the downside. This sort of a pullback here, guys. I thought we get one more leg. That's what I was thinking. I thought we'll get one more break to the downside. That's with 2 red candle bar. I thought that's what we're getting back into this liquidity zone that's in that 750s and 740s. And of course, we did not do that. We got a strong bounce. It almost kind of felt like, you know, I was trading real money, the real cash, trading these futures, and then like as soon as I entered this trade, we got a huge bounce off that low. But anyways, guys, we'll see if we can actually get a pullback here, guys. I'm gonna stay a little patient. If we end up getting blown, it's okay. But if we get a pullback here, it's gonna be a nice little trade to the downside, of course. Anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen. I'm gonna have ramen today. I'm gonna have some noodles, Korean noodles. I don't know if you guys know about Shin. I'm still very content, guys. Well, I'm gonna cry a little bit, but that's it. Cry for like 5 minutes, and that's it. You know, just get back to business. Oh my! Oh my! Oh! Oh! Woo! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You seriously kidding me? You kidding me there? Hello? You little... Man, guys, man, that's not fun, man. That's not fun. That's not good, man. This is not good. This is not good, guys. This is not fair. This is not fair. This is absolutely not fair, guys, man. Are we gonna get a bounce now? That's a too beautiful wick there, guys. Is this the bottom? I'm gonna be in trouble if this is the bottom, guys. This doesn't look like it's this doesn't look like a bottom though. I don't know, man. I don't think it's the bottom, but you know, that beautiful 2 wick here, that kind of makes me feel like, you know, this could be the bottom. Damn it. Anyways, guys, we'll see. It's okay. It is what it is. At least the good news is that I'm down to 44 now. From 50 contracts, I'm down to 44. Wow, everybody. Guys, man, if you guys want to support the stream, if you guys like what you guys see, please take a moment to smash the like, everyone. Over 330 viewers right now, concurrent viewers. If you guys want to see me go live every day, Kika, everyone. Guys, man, we gotta bounce. Damn. Oh, what a mess. That probably was my chance, I think. Now we're gonna get a bounce. This is gonna be in trouble. I think the market got a little nervous about my limit orders that I placed. I've got so many limit orders. It's like, oh, I don't want to go there because stock tag is gonna eat me up. Guys, man, this looks like it wants to... Very risky trade so far. Not looking that great, man. Guys, man, all I needed was an extra 5 points, man. The market really does not do that. It's like they're great at, you know, just making you, you know, get into a situation like this all the time, right? It's always been like that, fortunately. This looks like bouncy. Trying to get above this very important EMA. We get a bigger one here at 787. That if we curl back up into the 787, then it's a big. Yeah, I'm not gonna add anymore. I only got. I don't have any more room, anyways. I don't even think I deserve ramen today for sure. Look at this bounce, guys, man. Oh, damn it! I can't believe this. Very annoying. All right, I guess we're gonna have to sit back and relax. Everybody, buckle up, man. Buckle up. I only wish I had a little less contracts. I don't know why I went full port by mistake at the end of the day. Because we don't really have a lot of room to the, because drawdown, it's so really tight. And so if any pump in this trade, this account's gonna get blown because I don't have that much of a drawdown remaining on this account, right? So that's putting me into a situation right now. Now we're on a new candle, and this new candle is gonna look bullish. We're gonna get a bounce. We hit that RSI, man. I also did not look at the RSI, guys. RSI looking extremely oversold, right? RSI looking extremely oversold. Obviously, that doesn't mean that we not get a pullback, but we're just looking at this from a probability standpoint. We'll see, guys. We get a rejection of this EMA, or we get a bounce. I wish I can really trim down my position here to kind of like give myself a little bit more room, just in case we get a bounce. I may be able to add to my position a little bit later, but now that I'm full ported, I just don't have any room anymore. I can't add to any of this position now. I've got 44. That's the that's my full size position that I'm in. Full size position right now, guys. The 778, are we going to get a rejection here? No, I don't have the view up here. Yeah, it looks like it wants to get a bounce, man. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I can actually get a little lucky here. Overall, the structure is bearish, but bit of a dead cat bounce, if you will. Who knows what this market's gonna do? The expectation is maybe a little bit of a dead cat bounce. We got a little dead cat bounce here from 764 into the 780. That's like 15-20 points bounce. But let's see if this EMA, we get a rejection of this EMA, or we get a bounce. RSI pretty oversold right now. We're sitting at 33 RSI. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna probably end this stream now. It's gonna get a bounce, fortunately. It's gonna get blown. This is a beautiful setup for long, to be honest. I'd love to go long any day on this and place my stop here at 750s. Right? Go long here or long at 770s and place your stop at 760s. Your risk reward is definitely there to the upside. But again, overall the structure is still bearish, so we'll see. We just need a little rejection here, get back down to 775, and we get a little chance of a pullback here. A continuation of a pullback, but we really have to get down to the 775s. Somebody asked about the Discord link. Here it is. Yeah, Michael G. Yeah, it's not 70. Hey, 1-800 too easy. Why don't you go invest yourself? I don't even know what the hell you're doing here. What a fucking monkey. Nice, Miroski, man. Look at you, brother. Wooyah! What time is giveaway? Honestly, I was gonna actually do it. It looks like we're gonna get a bounce, man. We got a little bit of a resistance here. We'll see if we can actually get above that. But that's a strong bounce of that. That 2 wick was obviously a very obvious one. We'll see though. We have a bit of resistance here. 786. I haven't given up just yet. Michael G, man. What is up, bro? It's not 70. Yeah, you're right? We know it. We've been in the 70s many months ago. It's been a long time since I actually got into 70. On this one, I can't do 70 contracts, by the way. This is XFA. This is the funded on a top step. So the most you can be is 50 at most. And so I still have like 6 contracts I can add, but what's the point? What's the point? What an embarrassment though. 44 contracts, man. It's been a long time. Guys, man, by the way, this 44 contracts, you guys know, I mean, obviously it's been a long time since I've actually got into like 44 contracts. It's been a long time. It's not like you guys see me every day with 44 contracts, right? Danger Trading, what is up, man? I don't know what this market's gonna do, to be honest, man. I'm just gonna sit back, you know, and relax here and have a little fun with my fellow traders on my chat. What is up, Koba? Man, this is getting a bounce. 785, man. At least if I have to end up giving back this profits, I might as well just give back to you guys, man. You guys should be long right now. Everybody long. Everybody long. And Tech Stock Tiger out of this trade. Oh dear. Damn, guys, we just broke out of the 788, man. Yeah, I mean, obviously, if I was somebody else and I'm looking at somebody live streaming and he's kind of stuck in this trade right at this level, I would have easily gone long. I'll be honest, right? I would have easily gone long. You know, it's a very obvious bounce. 2 wicks here. We'll see though. One last chance in this EMA. Let's see if we get a rejection of this. Maybe this is gonna make the bulls very excited and then get a bigger flush, but it doesn't look like it wants to get a flush though anymore. It really doesn't look like. I'm good. This account's gonna get blown here, guys. I've got $600 only now. What a shame. What a shame, guys, man. I am so. It's been a while. I don't even know what to tell. $300 drawdown remaining. It's gonna break out now any moment. It's gonna go. I don't know if this is going to go right now though. We'll see. We could, just based off the way it's getting a bounce. It does look like it wants to get a nice little pop here. Maybe get a rejection, maybe after getting a bounce. We'll see. What a shame, guys. What a shame. But you know what? What's the point in complaining, man? At the end of the day, it's your fault. Nothing you can do about this.
filled. Order 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 filled.
Fucking take it, man. Jeez. Moving back to the 15-minute chart.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hey. Guys, man, don't panic. Jeez. It's just a 50K account.
Order filled.
Calculate the 50 minutes chart. I still like it to the downside, to be honest. Or is I'm gonna have to maybe try to full port this. I still like it to the downside. Kind of feel like this is trying to get a rejection.
Order filled.
Oh, hey guys, I think we have to do our giveaways now. Why don't you guys hop on to our Discord and post in the number between 1 to 150 on our Discord, guys. Why don't you guys go ahead and do that right now? We're gonna call out the winner in about a few minutes. And that's for an Apex account giveaway, guys. Good luck, everybody. Post your number, guys. I want to get this giveaway going so I can kind of put my focus attention back into this trading. If you guys need the Discord link again, I'm going to share that on our YouTube chat. So go ahead and click on that link and get onto our Discord and post in the number, guys. 1 to 150. You can only post one number. Just make sure you guys don't have any duplications. No 2 numbers, no 3 numbers, just 1. Good luck, everybody. Let's play fair. At the same time, if you guys would like to support the stream, guys, please take a moment to smash the like, everyone, and subscribe as well if you guys are new. Da 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 da. This may turn out to be ouch. It looks bouncy. I don't know, it's very confusing, guys. So far it's kind of like neutral at this point. We could obviously get a bounce. We could also get a pullback here too. It's hard to kind of like, you know, I like it to the downside though. On a pullback here into the 600s would be really nice if we can actually do that today. Maybe this could be a good sign, but I don't know if I don't know if this market is ready to do that though. We got a lot of resistance here up in that 780, 790 zone, so I don't know if we have what it takes to get a bounce up here, right? You know, nice and clean move. I'm just don't really have too much conviction for that sort of a trade. What up, everybody, guys? All right, I'm gonna give you guys 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. I'm gonna make this fast and quick. So we can finish this off. All right, guys, 1 more minute and we'll get this thing going here. So I can finish off my streaming. I can finish up my trade that I'm in right now. What a big damage, unfortunately. What a big damage. Oh, wow, Miroski, man, look at that payout, brother. Great job. Guys, keep in mind, we have a lot of traders. What is it again? We have, who is this again? Miroski, man. Look at you, brother. Great job. Great job. How much did you get a payout on this? Was it $1,000 bucks? Oh, current 770. Is that what it is? 770. Great job, man. 2 accounts. Great. Sensei Traits. Look at that, man. Sensei Traits 5,000. Look at you, man. Holy. That's great, brother. Great job, man. We get 11,000. Nick Traits. That's me. 2 grand. Bulanox 1100 for Davin. Ripe Images 1600. MZ $1,000 on a Tradify. That's me. $2,700. That's me. 1150. That's Fredo 36. That's me again. 850. I mean, not bad, not bad. 2245. You got 4370 for me. Not bad. 900, and then you have 800 as well here. Fredo 7,000. Holy smokes, man! I don't know how you do that, but 1,700 here as well. Not a bad. Let's take a look. Where am I right now? It's not getting a pullback here. Let's take a look at the Discord. Let's see if everybody has a number. All right, guys. I am going to go ahead and call out the number, guys. Good luck, everybody. This is an Apex account giveaway. Oh, Merlin Graves, man. Where were you, bro? All right, here. Oh my God, you've got to be kidding me, guys. 1. Can you believe that? 1. Who is 1? Who is 1, everyone? That's 1. Look at that. That's a pretty easy one. I think Dr. Venom is 1, I think. I think Dr. Venom is 1. At 6:58, he posted 1. Where's Dr. Venom? There you go. Dr. Venom, man, he had 1. Jeez. There we go. That was pretty straightforward. That was an easy. Just want to make sure we don't have any duplications. We have a verifier. We have an investigator on our Discord chat, by the way. Where's my brother? Luti. Fruity, Luti. Where are ya? Tutti Frutti, where are ya? Where did you go? Come on. There we go. Tuti's confirmed. The winner goes to Phantom. Thank you so much, Tuti. You are the man. All right. Dr. Phantom, just talk to me once the streaming is over, which obviously I'm going to end pretty soon here. Shaggy Von Doom, what up, man? All right. Talk to me once done. Congrats once again, Dr. Phantom. Great job, man. Great job. All right, guys, I'm down. I don't even know what to do at this point. I've only got $500. Draw down on this. What a shame. What a mess. What a mess. It looks like the market wants to get a bounce. We'll see what happens to this market, though. I'm just gonna get rid of this. We'll see what happens. All right. Yeah, I mean, the market may bounce, may not bounce, nobody knows. We've got an FOMC on Wednesday. Yeah, I mean, I should have done a better job with this account for sure. It doesn't look very promising, to be honest. I'm just gonna leave my trade as is. I may try to look to take a look at it maybe in a couple of hours from here, but for right now I'm just gonna leave this trade as is. I'm gonna get out, guys. I'm gonna hop out. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. I hope everybody have a great day. Great rest of the day. Good luck tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow's gonna be another yet challenging day. I hope everybody have a great day tomorrow during the biggest and largest New York session. For now, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. We'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Asian market, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody have a happy evening. My apologies, I could not show a better example. Very bad trade on this account. Unfortunately, the result definitely not something I was expecting, but it is what it is. Sometimes this is bound to happen. We'll see how we can get a nice little bounce back tomorrow. Hopefully we get a nice little bounce back. If I get some good news, I'll let you guys know on our Discord channel. For now, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. Have a great night, guys. Good evening, everybody. God bless everybody and you and your family. Take care of yourself. Good night, everyone. Peace. Final countdown. Good evening. Final countdown. Donna. Have a great night, everyone. Dean, Andreas, everybody. Good night. Michael G. Santoshi, Michael, Chris, Gen25. Everybody have a great, pleasant night. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Bye-bye.